How to archive any chats on ChatGPT. The very first thing you have to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have the application. Simply tap on the search bar at the top, and here you're going to search for ChatGPT. And once you hit enter, just open up the open or install the app from here. And once you have the app installed, you could just go ahead and open it up. Alright, so once you land on your ChatGPT page, what you need to do next is simply tap on the top left corner on the two lines to search for your chats. I don't have many chats, so let me just create one. And once you have done that, you could create as many chats as you want. So let me just create another one. So here I'm gonna say something like weather or something similar. And once you have done that, what you need to do next is, let's say, if you want to archive certain chat, you just long press on this, and then here you'll directly find the archive option. Tap on it, and now it will be hidden from your inbox. So let me do the same for this one. Long press on it, and then archive. And that's pretty much it. That's how you archive chats on ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.